Introducing the JMGO O1 Pro FHD Ultra Short Throw Projector. It lets you get closer for a bigger view. Close. Closer. More closer. You'll get an incredible large screen of up to 100 inches. JMGO O1 Pro is co-engineered with Leica, co-created with Dyne Audio for superior sound, and is built around an industry-leading processing chip. JMGO O1 Pro achieves its crystal clear image by collaborating with Leica in the development and optimization of the optical engine design. Leica's engineers refined the lens design to perform better by increasing light transmittance, reducing stray light and improving the projection brightness to 1250 ANSI. Leica's professional auto image correction and image distortion control further reduce the telecentricity during imaging by 25%. In image processing, Leica greatly improves the viewing experience, including immersive and vibrant colors, noise reduction, sharpness, and dynamic contrast. The Zero Perception Intelligent System offers auto keystone correction that accurately corrects the unevenness of the projection. O1 Pro intelligently detects the wall color temperature, retaining the original colors of your movie. With simple gestures, you can easily control the volume or speed. Not impressed yet? O1 Pro's AI back camera auto-adjusts the brightness, enables the best image projection even under strong light. O1 Pro is more than just a projector.
Fires glow, sparks flying through my heart, and
it's always ready to uplift the ambiance in your place.
Top-down destination in California. I wanna feel the warm breeze, but I'll wait for you.
You can also make O1 Pro your personal assistant. Set me a meeting reminder for tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Okay.
California.
The world has changed. And with that, our general way of leading our life in every aspect. Introducing GateDoc, a touchless body and temperature scanner. GateDoc enhances control and increases safety for visitors and staff. GateDoc will scan and recognize when a person approaches the door and will automatically activate. It will scan and measure the body temperature via your forehead.
Hello, please enter.
Make your clients and employees feel at ease by keeping them safe with GateDoc.
Scanning. High temperature detected. Please do not enter.
GateDoc will make a declining sound and send a live notification to the manager, who is able to track GateDoc's data and control the device with the app. GateDoc is available as a standalone device with the floor stand or as an all-in-one safety station with the touchless hand sanitizer and backplate. The device enhances safety for visitors and personnel. It respects people's privacy, and it is smart, making it the first truly autonomous temperature scanner through the app.
Wearables may work well for running, but not for workouts that need both hands. Introducing Timebirds.
I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
We collaborated with athletes of all types to take the things they love about their wall-mounted gym timer and build them into a personal device. The result is a solid timer that feels great to hold and looks at home wherever you place it. To cover all of your training needs, Timebirds is programmed with 5 versatile workout modes you can easily cycle through with just one touch. Then you simply tap the bird to start. Timebirds are small enough to fit in your pocket, but large enough to see during a workout. So they're always ready when you are. They are fitted with a long-lasting and rechargeable battery. The sleek design has been purpose-built inside and out to survive the sweatiest environments. The components have been securely encased in a hard-wearing rubber skin and sealed with a scratch-resistant lens. The powerful LEDs illuminate the display, and an anti-glare treatment increases overall visibility. While its base dimensions enable Timebirds to stand independently, the built-in magnetic spine allows you to simply display it wherever you need it. During COVID isolation, we've had prototypes in use, and the feedback and support has been incredible.
Got your uptime and your downtime, you can do intervals, you can do rounds, you can do whatever you want.
Having that right in front of you is a big difference.
It's actually really cool. You can take it travelling.
And it's much easier than using my phone.
All we need now is your support.
Cycling is awesome for people and for the planet. But riding can be stressful. Finding your way can be tricky. Riding on unsafe, busy roads is horrible. And not knowing the key info you need when you need it leaves you feeling in the dark. At Beeline, we believe every ride should be a great one. So, after years of development and feedback from thousands of riders, we're introducing our next generation cycle computer, Beeline Velo 2. With easy route planning, navigation and tracking. Velo 2 gives you everything you need to have a safe and enjoyable ride every time. Velo 2 is slimmer, lighter and more waterproof and shockproof. It's easy to pop onto your handlebars, and with up to 20 hours of battery life, it'll keep up with you all day. Via your smartphone, you can easily plan, customize and save journeys, import GPX files, and choose from routes that are built for cycling. Many popular cycle route providers are failing to optimize their routes for, well, cycling. That's why in countries covered by Beeline Smart Routing, you'll receive up to 3 community-sourced routes that have been generated incorporating huge amounts of road data and feedback from other Beeliners in your area. And you can give your own feedback too. Once you're riding, you can see our stripped-back, simple navigation guidance, with your speed, distance travelled and remaining, and your ETA at the touch of a button. And when adventure is the order of the day, our much-loved compass mode gives you the freedom to explore with the reassurance that you're heading in the right direction. Wherever you're going, Velo 2 will log all of your journeys and stats. You can even upload your ride to Strava.